What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Jaden. Here's how to relax and feel less stressed and anxious all the time. If you have all these fearful thoughts coming in your mind and you just can't get them to stop, one thing you can do is either go outside somewhere peaceful and quiet, or if you can't do that, if you're like stuck at work or in school or something, and what you can do is create a quiet space in your mind. Create what Maxwell Maltz calls your quiet room. That's in the book Psycho-Cybernetics, highly recommend it. But he says to create a room inside your mind. Just picture right now that there's a room. Could look like an ordinary house room. Could look like your living room, whatever it is. But then there's no windows. Just create that room to be whatever inspires you, whatever makes you feel the most relaxed. If you have your favorite chair, if you have amazing snacks there, if you have like a beautiful ocean view from that room, whatever that is for you, see it now in your mind. Good. And once you picture that, add more to it, add more details, refine it, so that way it just really relaxes you. And so whenever you have these feelings of stress, doubt, or anxiety, then just retire to your quiet room. Simply go there in your mind and say, hey, nothing can bother me in this space. In this quiet room, in your quiet place, your sanctuary, your safe haven, nothing can bother you. No thoughts, no fear, no doubt, no worry, no anxiety, no stress, no circumstances can bother you in this room. This is your quiet room, and this is yours to keep. You can go here whenever you need it. It's always available for you. So use that. This can be a powerful way to let go of these negative thoughts. You can learn to let them go and to let them fade away, because your thoughts of those stressful thoughts, those fearful thoughts, your thoughts of anxiety always fade away. They always go away, and they always are replaced with something new. And so sometimes it can just be great to do something like this, because it can quiet your mind and it can allow those thoughts to pass. Because most of the time we react to them. We react to them, and we cling on to them. We find other things to be negative about, and so we worry and build up this huge mental monster in our mind, and that just destroys our life, and it destroys our day. It makes us feel terrible the rest of the day, right? And so anytime you need it, your quiet room is there, and you can take a few deep breaths in there. You can do whatever you'd like in that room, and it doesn't just have to be a room. That's just what Maxwell Maltz calls it inside his book. But you can make a whole house. Just create some space where you feel safe, where you feel comfortable. You could have animals there. You could have trees, birds, whatever you like in there. Whatever relaxes you, whatever calms you, whether you have books, anything. Doesn't matter, guys. My point is, do this. Take proactive steps to eliminate and let go of these fearful thoughts, because suppressing them and just pretending they're not there, or dwelling in them, wallowing in them, will not help you. Wallowing in your failures, wallowing in your past, wallowing in what you don't want to happen will only make that happen and manifest into your life. So instead, do the opposite. Then focus on your quiet room, and then so that way you're more primed, you're more willing, and you feel like you have the mental stamina and capacity to then think about what you do want in your life. So this is a short video, but I hope it helps. Remember, create your quiet room and go there whenever you need it. And the same thing can be, you can think about fantasies. You can have, you can think like you're in a Star Wars show or whatever, and you're like a Jedi general on a gunship with, you can do whatever you want. My point is just simply find a way to quiet your mind. This is a great, powerful exercise, and I really hope it helps you guys, because it's helped me a lot in my life. So thank you so much for watching. Talk to you guys in the next one.